Why you not talk to me? Huh?
So, as we were saying, this is the mark. You see, it's one of a kind. There is all this one. There is different of this one, but this mark is only one of this mark on it. I've removed it. You see, there is none other mark on this housing more than this mark. If you see the housing, you'll see the mark. This is the house, the pulley belt timing. This is the belt timing, and that is the mark. So the mark is going to fit on this one. You see? If you check, set all. You see? The all are set, and the mark is set. The mark is set, or the oil is set. The engine is full. Top engine is full. You see, this one will be up. This one will face up because it's complete. This will be up. This one is up. Then when this is up, you fix this one. There is a key to key, key to key, and another key to key. Downside, say 2. Key to key, key to key. I don't think if you can see it, but there is something key to key downside. If you look downside, you see there is another mark. You see the white color that is down there. The mark for the engine of this one, and this one. Okay. Then if you look down, there is another mark. This one will come together with this one, then the downside will come together with the downside. So what you would see, we're giving you is an in-laws diesel engine. I just finished coupling this one. The old part. This is the old part. It's finished. Finish this one. This is the old part. This one's coming new. This is the injector area. What do you want to see? This is the injector area. Air cooler. Almost finished. If you want something, this 2 is up, and number 4 is down. See? This 2 also. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to get more of our diesel workshop. Thank you.